Hey, this is Keith here with the Maury County Radio Club, and we're going to be doing an antenna build today. And we're getting things underway right now. They're putting up the tripod and stuff for the antenna test for after a while. So as we get done, finish the builds, people will be able to test their build. So we're getting it underway right now.
Back the other way, George. There you go.
Well, I have. This is just family recreational.
A lot of the folks will be here a little later. They're coming in right now. A few of us are here early getting things set up for the build, and hopefully going to have a nice day here. The weather's great, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So looking forward to it.
I don't know what.
I'll be simple because simple the better. The first thing we're going to build is
very last place again. It's for
ugly balun. This. The schematic's right here. You got the antenna. You got the balun right here. What is the antenna? What's the definition of the antenna?
Bit of wire in there.
So in electronics, when you define a component, you have to call it device or apparatus or machine, because I'm dead serious, because it's a complete thing. So the antenna is a machine or apparatus or a device that's made to resonate at a certain frequency. That's that simple. Now, problem is, if there is a mismatch of impedance, you got 50 ohm here and this is a different impedance, some will come back through the outside of the coax. So now the coax becomes an antenna. You don't want that. That's why we built the balun. Okay? So antenna resonates. You don't want other things to resonate but the antenna. So we're going to start with the balun. So the balun, whoever's building will have to cut the pipe about this big. Okay, I got pipe, I got the saw. And then the first round is 9 turns. On top of it, it's going to be 8 turns, and on top of it, it's going to be 7 turns. Or more. Let me see. Yeah, 7 turns. 9, 8, 7. Okay? There's a paper, there's a video, there's a formula for it. You want the impedance to be for 160 meters. You want the inductance, sorry, not impedance, the inductance to be at least 18 microhenry. So once we're done building the balun, we're going to measure it. Okay? So get the pipe, get the saws, and cut something like this. Okay? Good luck. I've got 2 pipes.
I'll be your huckleberry.
And cut. So where was building?
May the cause be with you.
Should have brought my PVC cutter.
Well,
I've got a constant burn.
You do? Yeah, I wasn't gonna knock it over.
we don't necessarily want to tie this all up.
Kind of working against the table, but you
I got
with the table.
He can once Use a little bit of tape to hold the first, to hold one end. Just count to 9.
So it's non-complete routes?
So based on my experience, 9 is the match number. Okay, so that's for the first
Talk in, regarding anybody needing help, directions, or other assistance, please call the station.
All right. Then, top of it, 8.
Oop. The wind's kicking up.
Oh, wait, they make it enough. Okay, so direction is important, right?
All right, got 8. One more.
Okay, I got my first layer, 9. So now I'm going to wind it back this way, right?
Hold on. Yes, but when you're done winding, it's good to end with.
I still got cherries.
In 4 BPD, I'll also be listing on the 146.565 simplex frequency.
Yeah, I heard about it.
And 4 BPD, talk in for the BPD instead of
All right,
our.
so we're winding the same direction, right?
Yeah.
But back this way.
Yeah.
8 turns?
We gotta put the connector. Let me get the connector.
So you have to calibrate it first, Paul, is that what you're doing?
Yeah, I gotta zero it and make sure it's 1, that's good because of the leads, you see.
Yeah, that's going to be 8.
Should be 18. Okay, you're 40, so you're good. It should be 18 microhenries or higher. You're at 39, you're good.
Okay.
Good Lord, that's a soldering iron.
This is fantastic. This is what you want to use. Or the Chinese stuff that's a paste. What I do, I already filed a little bit the edge. So what I'm doing first, I'm gonna make this hot a little bit.
That's an iron.
That's what I was saying. Holy crap.
I just wanna put it in the, just put this a little bit here. Because I'm gonna put later the soldering stuff. So it's good to buy this thing. They have it on AliExpress. They have it at Hobby Lobby. They're like maybe $20 max.
These are the connectors I was talking about, where it's like a compression fitting on the back.
Yeah.
Inside.
That iron's hot right there too if you're gonna use that iron.
Everybody is going to those and the kind that use a crimp tool.
That's what I use, a crimp tool on mine.
I bought these because I tried some that have the crimp tool and I just made a mess of it.
Sorry, I know that's a no-no. I've done that before.
I think it's good enough. And then, whatever that is.
Nita is walking around in front of the Jeep, and she looks back and I'm laying it's hot.
You need California on that one. So
I have more issues than QST.
yeah, we got some.
So what does that do? Is it like flux or something? Or?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Have you ever done the copper pipe?
No.
They're both trying to understand how this thing works.
Help with that?
You already saw this?
Yep, sure did.
Like on shield to shield, center to center.
I'm just feeling it. Yeah, it's good.
Did you check for shorts and everything? Okay.
Yep, we just did.
So this, and you're gonna get screws.
Oh, I'm married, I'm used to that.
All right. So I got more. I'm gonna put them here.
Fits perfectly.
Got all those angled.
Oh, he did the
Well, you got one end done.
he did the
Go
printing.
ahead and start coiling.
Very nice.
Good old
Nice
Jonathan.
job.
Thank you.
All glory goes to him. All right.
I got lots of insulation, so.
Yeah, there's that too.
The dipole antenna is one of the easiest to build. It's halfway of length. So you want to build a 40-meter dipole antenna. This will be 20 meters. It's halfway. Each end will be 10 meters. I measured on the ground 10 meters. We're gonna cut the wire. We're gonna do that.
We go run down through the rock.
It is very important
Two-thirds of them, maybe,
to have full dipole antenna. There are some that make vertical, there's some that make tricks and make them smaller. You can make a fork
Go
resonate.
down there and listen, and some people.
It doesn't mean it's gonna be a good antenna.
3 or 4 seconds.
So keep it halfway of length. Now, another thing that's important, and I'm gonna, an antenna resonate at a frequency, and it will basically lead the signal down the coax. Every time you have an antenna on Earth, it will also behave like a transmission line. The transmission line looks like this: inductor, capacitor, inductor, capacitor, inductor, capacitor, and so forth. Now, this is important. Closer to the ground you are, this capacitance increases, and you have to shorten the antenna more. Higher you put it up in the sky, the capacitance decreases, and the antenna, the wire will be actually at the ideal distance. Now, what happens? I'm gonna draw. Imagine these are mirrors, okay? And you beam light. It's gonna have a path, and I'm gonna do another light here, another beam. So this is shorter than this. If you look at this, it will take a longer time, quote unquote, for the light to get there than the straight one. When it's about radio, because a transmission line also behaves like these mirrors, in a way, the path of the wave through the antenna is going to be like through mirrors. So closer to the Earth, it's going to be like this. So to the wave radio, the antenna looks longer if it's closer to the Earth. That's why I have to cut it short. Higher you put in the air, the wave would look at the antenna as being straight. So it's a weird thing, but it's real. Closer to the Earth, you shorten the antenna more. Higher, it gets close to the ideal. So there's that. And that's all. Questions? If you fail at this, you're gonna miss. You're gonna lose one of your license. I'm kidding. I don't have the powers. I'm just. Yeah.
We're gonna call the FCC.
Is there a chart then, or a formula out there that you can plug in that gives you, let's say, I don't want to use the word ideal, but gives you more optimal height
No.
of where your antenna should be, or is it all trial and error?
I think it's trial and error.
Trial and